Bless up and respect again, guys. Welcome back to the channel, RUSHIE'S Kitchen. But today I'm not kitchen today, we're up on the farm. Yeah, man. So today, guys, we're gonna do a little searching. See it. Want some food and things, so we're gonna see if we find a carrot and them thing there. You see me? Kinda burn down now, meaning say there's not much in the ground. I'm kinda get destroyed by the elements, but we're gonna see what can go on for it another day. Yeah. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, remember, subscribe. It's free. Press the subscription button, like the video, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. You see it? So as I can see, this is the farm, father farm to be exact. So yeah, so them money pitch them thing and spend a lot of the days. You see it? So weekend there, I reap from it too, and I make much use of it. You see it? So yeah, guys, so we're going to go into the carrot field and I want to see what we can and see what can be found. See, it's steep, but we're good, man. We're not drop off, we're not fall off. No day, no time. Yeah, guys, so we can find us. So you see it. So right now my father I'm shouting, but sound like him there different part of the property, so maybe we'll link up with him a little more. See it. Yeah, guys, watch out. Oh, that's nice. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, man, so we do it, you see it. So right now them not so big, so it's a mixture because right now the weather beat them. So next one again. Right, I'm pretty. So remember now, guys, if you don't want me to if you don't enjoy the content and don't want to see more, just remember to state that in the comment section. I know me read all of my comments and my answer back to everybody. You see me? So that's one of my joys. So if you don't state it, if you don't say your Rush wants some more of them video, not a problem. I go see it. Yeah, so if you don't enjoy them video, them farm video, you can let me know in the comment section. You see me? So right now I'm aiming for about 2 pounds of carrot right now. Around 3 pounds easily. So they're nice and pretty. Then I make some nice punch. And you can see. This is what we have so far. That's what we have so far. So as I said, guys, this is not much of a narrating video. And I have to over talk it, you see me? So I just have to just watch and enjoy the content. All of my overseas subscribers and big up on themselves. Now I have to call them by a name and you know yourself already. Each and every one, big up for the support again. So guys, we have a 1 pumpkin Our one pumpkin tree around here, right there, so. Oh, carrot again. Guys, look at this. Nice. Nice. See it? See how farming nice? See how farming nice? Yeah, man. Oh, that's smart. There's a pumpkin, a beer too, you know. See a small one a while ago. Let me see. Just see a yeah. See the small pumpkin right there, so. Next big one again. You know, joke with them. Wow. Yeah, guys, so this is how we do it when you come in the country. See it? Nice red carrot. Enough carrot this down. Carrot juice we kill. Yeah, man, so guys, we're gonna move on further down the hill now. You see it? Look, way down here, so we go. No joke to the thing. So when you hear we say we come a country, them kind of journey we take on more while. We used to it still, so and I really nothing to it, see me? So them are some fresh cabbage that come up right now. See it? Father go on with a bag of things. Bag of things the man are going with. Yeah, guys, so we'll take it through them bush right now. If you know about country, you know so ticks and them things they're not joke. So we'll make sure load up yourself with some repellent thing, you see me? So use a repellent now. And we won't really take on to his skin like that. Life of a farmer. The people, my last. Can't remember the road again. Ja. We can't remember the road again. Can't remember the road again, peeps. Boy, on there. So guys, I feel like I want some jelly. I feel like I need some jelly right now, so go on some jelly, but I have to find the road first. I think I run outside there. Can't believe me, come last. See, I can't take down the toe. Jappy, watch your back there. Jappy, watch your back there. See, the sticker bend. Difficult to operate. Eh? Eh? Oh no. That's that one. Watch yourself. Alright, we're not pick no more. Right that. Guys, the whole bunch come down. The whole bunch come down. Alright, right that. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go strip out a couple of them and see how them look. Hopefully not all of them stay so. Oh, think me and Mummy did that session one couple of them, or I must have told them to. Think me and Mummy did that session one, told them. Not check them out, man. How far I bring that come? How far I bring that come? Oh, you're not going no further. Oh, yeah, plant it. Oh, see? Want a couple of them. Guys, my father has a busy there, so I'm gonna look at a couple of them right now. Cause the other day when I come and I say, I don't see none. Cause I got a big green one there. And it tree them around, I say about 2-3 around the sort of. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, so when I'm ready, shell of them dry up. Oh. Oi, oi. For them up there, sir. Guys, I have a whole heap of coconut. I don't even know if I can bring so much of them. I don't have no bag for bringing so much of them. If I either left some of them or give us some. The chocolate them, which one you did to them there? The chocolate them. The one them you said underneath the tree. Oh, down so. Finally. So them dry? Them dry? Yeah. Them green. Oh. I have to buy coconut for a while. I have to just blend them and juice and put them in the fridge. And to freeze them, I have coconut juice. Chocolate. How bored also? The bored, you know? Boy, you can't something. I don't want one to eat. I think one there right is so. The one there right, you see it? Right. Yeah man, look like you're ripe. You see it out of the end? Yeah. When you go down here, you can bring this strain of the. Oh. Cut it, chop it out there for me. Just bust it in and eat it. Enough people know them style, you know. Yeah. See it? Nice chocolate.
Nice chocolate that come from the tree.
Tastes like ice cream. Every kind of sickness. Yeah, man, so this is a chocolate, guys. Well, fresh from off of the tree, you see it. So the seed, upon the seed, have a kind of milky kind of taste. Kind of have like a sour taste to it too. Nice, man. So this is how we dry and make chocolate. This is what the chocolate comes from. Cocoa bean. So when this dry on the white part, dry off it, then you parch it. And you parch it and the whole time we beat it in a mortar. Yeah. I'll actually do a video about that, so stay tuned. All time chocolate. So guys, we need some more. Right now we need some more kola nut, aka busy. Alright, it's the money. Ready for the picking. So I'll pick them right now. Oh, the thing come down. Find enough for another tree, you know. PC. Up at top up there, sir.
Oh, yeah,
Cause out on the park, so. Want a 1 cane on this and then you see, come on. Oh man. Which part you go now? Down there, sir?
Yeah, go down there.
No, cause I'm not really down there right now. Then I just come for the banana and
Oh, some banana this one.
which part? Oh, alright. Eh. The other one I'm bring down one day and as by the next day, right, Papa?
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. They're alone it off. I just want to clean off now. No, no renter down here, so.
Yeah.
Fine. One whole heap of busy. Nothing more than this. I just want to clean off for now. Oh, one banana here. Oh, zing. Nice cooking banana. Alright, master. We bring them, man. I will if I walk in that, you know. Whatever. You don't care manage on at all, at all, at all. Yeah. Real talk, yes. What if I walk in that?
You know, have around the road, you know. After you walk stop side. Right on that curb there. You know, stone cross here. Go by bamboo.
Which part that?
Yes, sir. You know, stone cross here and go over the ground there.
No, which part you say for walk?
You go back up.
Eh.
If you go up the road there, sir.
Eh.
You just follow the road and go top side the light the yard. Top side where Rasta live there.
Oh.
And turn cross. One little road go right.
The little truck yesterday there?
Eh, but I don't know if you are going to know it still.
You know, one little truck they did there on that time.
You have to go right up to under Trevor work and turn cross here. And then you drop out on the ground.
But
Go around the road.
I first see, no, I first see. I first see how the one go. Alright, I look at one cane again, so. Yeah, guys, that is it. So, right now, I'm sag up to head out of the place. So. Well, I got plant and when I'm done, call them a yam head. Plant them and get fresh yam from it. So yeah, peeps, so when you come in at the bush of them thing will go on with you, see me? So we just have a under real good thing we can find, like a cane, for coconut, for carrot, same speed. Yeah man, every real good thing. I don't know when I live in the country. Any little thing I can get. Travel with you, protect that, you see me? So right now guys, we need a one cane. Need a one cane. Zappy.
Old bushland. Trying to
More tight.
escape from them, you know. But yeah,
Go in it, you know.
night.
Down far down, man.
Spread wide. Spread wide.
Somebody always ask me, how me know when you yam them ready? But when you something there,
You know,
when you leave them dry off.
yeah man, you know by time, you know, how long,
You plan them and how long you take to get ready.
how long then get ready. You know? It's a muscle, yeah man, right, I know. When you eat it fresh, you know,
No, nothing for you today.
no man, you know,
Just like a piece I bring down the other day, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
you know,
Yeah, man.
use your I'm a terrible.
That's it.
Flying somewhere.
We bring it up.
We'll bring you up.
That's it. You see, you don't come on for this, I know.
Yeah. You have to carve here.
You know? Plant this on me.
Pick up that piece, you know.
Mozzarella. Golden yellow, you see it? Okay,
This
it's some.
is all up, that's right.
Mm.
You get all piece of that big piece of chicken or no one that is
Nice,
or
yeah, man.
or anything at all.
All you can find them here about the place now.
Yeah, man, waxy, man, and sometimes it dry, sometimes it waxy.
Yeah. Okay, rain out to fall, I know.
No.
You know, eh.
That make up your face.
It look like this year gonna be one either rainy year again, you know.
It could be one either rainy.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I have enough of them to go plant this year. Yeah, so man. Weed up wicked, man.
Yeah, man,
It's probably just me at the deal, and I know I don't want that.
Oh. If you put with the other one that we have around there. Them one that we have around the sour.
Oh, no.
Is one of them missing at the bag.
Oh, them they are yellow yam.
Oh, yellow yam, them.
Them are mozzarella.
If it's a favor yellow yam for you, say, no?
Yeah, yellow yam, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you know. Oh, sure.
Mozzarella, then.
Exactly, mozzarella.
Mm-hmm.
When I sweet this yam,
yeah, one like something I tell you. I tell you, man.
People talk about them. But when they get it,
sometimes it's stale.
Yeah, if you make it too stale, you know.
Nah, go eat good. Yeah, when you eat them when they're fresh, cause a piece when you give me a day in the mozzarella.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You eat it fresh.
Fresh.
You know, make 2 days pass. Really.
And you keep long too, you know, cause I me alone I eat it, so I cut off piece off it and.
Yeah, what you do it, you know. If you want to keep it long, put it in the fridge.
Yeah, man, yeah. That I normally do with them.
Yeah, man. Put it in the fridge. You can peel it and put it in the fridge.
Well, I don't normally peel, I just left it in the skin, see me. And put it in the bottom part of the fridge. You can tie it up now one bag there.
Yeah.
Yeah, my peeps, so it's about 5 o'clock in the evening. Late, man. I'm telling you, like, it was a great day, it was a good look. Enough things I find. From cane to coconut to banana to yam to busy. Yeah, man, a whole heap of things we find. So I have to give thanks to that, you see me? Give thanks to the bush. Give thanks to my father for pass through, see me, you see me? You know, see him now, no care, so no know him. Favor me down. Yeah, man, I'm a pops that man. So just want to say bless up to him because, you know, enough things him let off from me in the idea. So I have to give thanks to that. And I have to give thanks to you guys for reach this far in the video. You see me? So if you reach this far in the video, remember to drop a like, remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and remember to press the notification bell. So when a new video drop, we can get it right away. I don't have to send on any WhatsApp, I don't have to send on nothing on Facebook. I know a job. I want to just go over the CM speed. You see it. Enough things. We're not going to see it in the video. So, yeah, until the next time, until the next farm vlog, guys, just want to say, bless up, respect, take care of yourself. What is on my nose? I'm out.